If you've been using Canva mobile versus Canva desktop, you might be wondering, where is edit image? So when you click on images, usually you see edit image pop up somewhere with a lot of different options. Well, instead, what we get is a menu at the bottom that has a lot of those options here. So for instance, inside of edit image, you might see adjust. And so this is where you'll find an auto adjust option, but also as we scroll through, you get all your different options like brightness, temperature, tint, contrast. And so all of those options are here that you can select. Do I adjust the whole image or just part of it? And then you have sliders for each different option. And so all of those adjustments are in here as opposed to edit image. Now there's other things in edit image like the Magic Studio. So we click on that and we get all of our options here, like background remover, magic edit, magic eraser, which is a big one. All of these are pretty much Canva Pro. You can try Canva Pro for free with the link in the description. You also have filters and effects. So filters are just some quick edits to your image, lots of different filters that we can click on to adjust. And same here, you have all these different categories you can go through. And then you have effects as well. So we can click on effects and we got those same effects that we have: face retouch, blur, adding shadows, duotone. All of those are down here too. So instead of edit image being anywhere, it's actually just all in this bar down here at the bottom. So if you're trying to edit your images and you're wondering where is edit image, that's where it is. When you have an image selected, just check the bottom bar and you'll be able to do anything you want here on Canva Mobile.